Welcome to your Interior Design YouTube channel. Delve into the world of crochet and unlock a realm of creativity with top ideas for handmade creation and stylish patterns. Elevate your crafting game by exploring intricate stitches and textures that breathe life into your projects. From cozy blankets to trendy wearable crochet offer endless possibility. Experiment with vibrant color combination to infuse personality and flair into your creations, making each piece a unique expression of your style. And dive into the world of Americanami crafting adorable stuffed animals that brings charm and whimsy to any space. Discover the art of Tunisian crochet for a sophisticated twist on traditional techniques, creating eye-catching patterns and design. Embrace the versatility of crochet as it effortlessly transforms ordinary items into bespoke textures. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a beginner, there is a palette of resources available online to inspire and guide your crochet journey. Unleash your imagination and let your hands wave magic with the end as you embark on fulfilling and stylish crochet adventure. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.